55. Latrobe requirement is 55% for CBSE and ICSE. Punjab board it is 58% and other state board is 57%. What we require is 3 academic core subjects and plus language, that is English. So best of 4. English requirement is overall 6 band, no band lesser than 6. PT requirement is overall 46. Communication skills no band less than 46. That's what is requirement under PTE, right? And we are accepting all boards. So right now Latrobe doesn't have any, any other criteria. Edge Hill University, again, similar to other universities in the UK. JCU requirement is 1 language plus 3 academic subject accepted all across the streams. The subject need to be mentioned on the mark sheet with the score, even if not included in the grand total as calculated in the mark sheet. Non-academic subjects like physical education, music, vocal, vocational subjects, sewing, knitting, or whatever, painting, these are the non-academic subjects. So we don't consider this. We consider only academic subjects. So the requirement is 60% for for the ICSE, CBSE, and 65% for all state boards. And what we require is best of 4, 1 language plus 3 core subjects. For information technology course, the requirement is 63% for CBSE, ICSE, and state board it is 68%. Right? IB board requirement is 24 points. GCE A level for business program it is mark 4, and IT it is mark 4.5. That is what the requirement is. No gap between 10th and 12th accepted for JCU. Any fails in 10th and 12th will not be accepted. NIOS board is not acceptable. Right? Documents requirement is 12th mark sheet. If 12th is pursuing, 12th predictive scores along with the 11th mark sheet is acceptable. 10th mark sheet requirement and then passport. First page, last page. That is what the requirement is for the admission. IELTS requirement is 6 band score, no band lesser than 6. PT requirement is 52, not less than 52 individually. Any evident gap greater than 6 months not acceptable. Justification is required. So any question till now?
मैम ये जैसे आपने बताया कि काफी यूएस है, यूके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया की यूनिवर्सिटीज जो आप रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो इसमें मतलब सभी जगह पे ऐसा है कि इनिशियली आप फाउंडेशन कोर्स में एनरोल कर रहे हैं?
फाउंडेशन नहीं है. फाउंडेशन इज देयर ओनली फॉर द नाविटास प्रोग्राम्स, रुखसाना.
ओके. Right.
Now,
So
the program right now I'm talking about, this is the first year of bachelor's degree.
Okay.
And in the US also we offer first year of bachelor's degree.
Okay. तो फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट यहाँ इंडिया में करेगा?
हाँ जी.
और फिर बाकी के जो 3 साल हैं वो यूएस में.
वो यूनिवर्सिटी में.
और ये जो नेविटास के जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं, तो ये मतलब जैसे कि डायरेक्टली ये यूके यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, जैसे आपने डी मॉन्टफोर्ट है, संडरलैंड बताया, तो इनके ये जो पाथवे प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं वो नेविटास रन कर रहा है?
नेविटास में पोर्ट्समथ है अभी फॉर एग्जांपल राइट नाउ.
ओके.
तो वो प्रोग्राम रहेगा यूनिस्मार्टर के अंडर.
राइट. सो और कौन कौन से यूनिवर्सिटीज होंगे ये नेविटास में?
Navitas, I'll tell you for Navitas what are the universities. I'll just open this. These are the universities falling under Navitas. Griffith College, leading to Griffith University. Latrobe College, leading to Latrobe University. SIBT to Western Sydney University. Ainsbury College to University of Adelaide. Edith Cowan College to ECU, Edith Cowan University. This is UK University, Portsmouth, right? And then Murdoch, Dubai campus.
Okay, and मैम ये ICP जो है ये क्या है?
So
ये मर्डोक के पीछे वाला ICP?
so this is basically a foundation course.
ओके, ये किसी यूनिवर्सिटीज का है या फिर
इसी
ये
का है, ये पोर्ट्समथ का ही है।
अच्छा, पोर्ट्समथ का ही है
हाँ
ये।
जी। So student will first study ICP and then progress to University of Portsmouth.
ओके, तो ये सभी यूनिवर्सिटीज में हम फाउंडेशन कोर्स पाथवे जो प्रोग्राम्स है
पाथवे
वो
कोर्स
आपके थ्रू कर
सकते हैं, करेक्ट,
वो आपके थ्रू हम अप्लाई करेंगे।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
तो इसमें ये ऐसा है जैसे कि कंबाइंड ऑफर लेटर आता है जिसमें कि
हाँ
फाउंडेशन कोर्स और डिग्री पूरा
पैकेज्ड
रहेगा।
ऑफर आएगा, पैकेज्ड ऑफर आएगा।
ओके,
So
packaged offer रहेगा।
first initially they will get offer from TWG, that is for the TWG program, and within a and they get a packaged offer.
राइट, ओके।
For USA it takes at least a month, but for Australia and UK within a week span you get. UK के लिए स्पेसिफिकली पैकेज्ड ऑफर नहीं है बिकॉज यूके में वो पैकेज ऑफर का फंडा है नहीं। सो
ओके,
यूके में आपको हमारे लेटर पे ही लिख के आएगा कि आप कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रोग्रेस करोगे।
राइट।
ठीक है, बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया में यू गेट पैकेज्ड ऑफर्स।
और मैम यूएस में कौन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं?
आई विल शेयर द यूएस यूनिवर्सिटी चार्ट एज वेल। So yeah, this is the list. Lander University, University of Lynchburg, Fisher College, Tiffin University, McHenry University, Pace University, University of Incarnate Word, Indiana Tech University, University of Concordia, Chicago, Mount St. Mary's University, University of Nevada, Las Vegas, Cleveland State University, Adelphi University, Auburn University, then University of Missouri, St. Louis, SUNY Plattsburgh, and then Wisconsin Stout.
ओके, और ये सारी डायरेक्ट मास्टर्स और बैचलर्स डिग्री के लिए हम कर सकते हैं?
ये डायरेक्ट बैचलर्स एंड मास्टर्स के लिए है। सो मास्टर्स की ऑफर 1 semester here, not complete 1 year. And
राइट, और इसमें
या
ओके, इसमें एप्लीकेशंस करनी होगी तो आप हमें पोर्टल का पूरा एक्सेस देंगे, वहां से हम एप्लीकेशंस करेंगे?
yeah, there is just a link of application. You just need to fill up all the data and you need to tell which university student is interested in. So later, whatever the rest part is, I'll take care of it from my end.
ओके, ओके,
Yeah.
ठीक है मैम।
The process is pretty simple. There is an online application form. I'll share that link with you. You just need to fill up all the details. We ask financial documentation information as well. तो जितना आपको पता है स्टूडेंट के बारे में उतना आप फिल कर दो, बाकी इन्फॉर्मेशन बाद में भी फिल अप कर सकते हो स्टूडेंट की। But what we require is mainly academics, and you need to upload the academic document along with the passport copy and the IELTS copy if it is ready. नहीं है तो student have to take our examination that costs 2,500 plus GST, and that will be adjusted with the tuition fees later on.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah. So US में if you I'll just show you how much students save for university. That costing is pretty high. So if you look at the minimum saving is somewhere like 29 lakhs and maximum is 1 crore over 4 years. So US may advantages, US universities are providing our students like guaranteed scholarship for the 2nd, 3rd and 4th year.
Right.
That is the reason why the savings are very high. So for example, if I have to talk about say University of Lynchburg, which is in Virginia, the total cost without if the student go directly, it goes somewhere like 1 crore 68 lakhs. But same student who goes through us, the cost will be 66 lakhs. So there is a straight away saving of 1 crore 2 lakhs for the student. And the best advantage is, we make student prepare in the preparation time. For USA, as you know, 7 to 8 months का preparation time वैसे भी लगता है. to go to any intake. तो वो preparation time में ही बच्चा first year यहाँ पे खत्म कर रहा है, and then they are saving this much of money, and they get transcript from Tiffin University, which is again, we have mapped with all the universities. They accept Tiffin's like transcript to get them into second year of degree.
मैम, और अगर स्टूडेंट को यहाँ पे इसका फर्स्ट ईयर नहीं करना, उसको स्टार्टिंग से ही यूएस में ही करना है तो?
नहीं, वो ऑप्शन नहीं है हमारे पास।
वो ऑप्शन नहीं है?
नहीं, it is only this option.
Right.
So this is basically for students who really want to save the cost and who might have missed the intake, would like to, try it out again. उनके लिए ये option है.
Right, ma'am.
So my request to all of you is like identify those students from your pipeline who have missed the past intake and who still want to go, and because of gap reason or any other reason they are not qualifying for direct program, they are easily fit into our program. So for US and UK we accept 2 years gap. For Australia we are not accepting 1 year gap or so. 1 year is maximum, is it is as good as like direct entry requirement for Australia. This is the cost for USA, 7,50,000 plus GST. So that goes to 8,85,000. I'll show even the graduate program. Graduate program mein you have option of Fisher College, McKendree University, Tiffin University, Drexel University, Lander, Wisconsin Stout, and St. John's University. All right. The program offering would be management, data analytics, cybersecurity, IT, engineering, and management again. And the cost saving is not much because they are just studying 1 semester over here. So it is like 2 lakhs to 16 lakhs is the max they save on the cost by studying 1 semester in India. Why we are offering 1 semester? Because we do not want to, student, I would say, give away on their post-study work right. To get that post-study work right, they have to have at least 3 semesters spent on campus in case of USA. So they study how many credits is basically around 2 to 3 credits per subject they study. So total 9 credits they finish. So student have choice to study either 2 subjects or 3 subjects. It's up to them. See, it is here, it is written 4 to 9 credits altogether. So अगर 2 subjects पढ़ रहे हैं तो around like what 6 credits पढ़ेंगे, and अगर सारे 3 subjects पढ़ रहे हैं तो 9 credits पढ़ेंगे. That's how it goes. And the cost of this program is where it is, yeah, here. If they study 8 to 9 credits, it is 3,50,000 plus GST. If they study only 4 to 6 credits, it is 2,15,000 plus GST. So for USA, actually, they are termed as transfer students.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question? I specifically want you guys to, I'll just run you through La Trobe University, because we have that La Trobe ka visit in your, Ahmedabad office. So please check out the students and gather those students to meet the university representative. Here is the cost estimate, like how it looks like, how much they save.
La Trobe का भी मैम इसी हिसाब से ही है क्या? फर्स्ट ईयर आपके यहाँ पे करना है?
हाँ, year 1 का program है. So, but that is only for IT, bachelors of IT. Right? So IT के बच्चों के लिए है ये.
ओके
तो आप उनको बुला सकते हो। लट्रोब का इनफैक्ट ऑप्शन नाविटास के थ्रू भी है, फिर
जी
उसमें मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम्स भी है। सो वो वाला इनटेक रहेगा जनवरी इनटेक। ठीक है, तो आप वो बच्चों को भी बुला सकते हो, मैनेजमेंट एंड आईटी दोनों के लिए।
राइट ठीक है मैम।
ठीक है,
जी
all right, I'll
ओके
send you these details, Ruxana, and I would
जी
go to your office and drop the brochures as well.
श्योर मैम
ठीक है,
ओके
anybody
मैम।
has any other question?
मैम ये प्रोडक्ट भी हमारे लिए थोड़ा नया ही रहेगा,
I
क्योंकि
know
शुरू
that.
से हमने स्टडी अब्रॉड ही प्रमोट किया हुआ है।
Correct,
अभी इंडिया में
correct,
ये 1 साल यहाँ पे करना है, तो वी आर टोटली न्यू फॉर दिस, सो विल
correct.
सी कैसे हमारे पास मतलब स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, एंड विल डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट दिस ऑप्शन टू स्टूडेंट्स,
Correct.
एंड जैसे फिर क्वेरीज आती है तो विल गेट बैक टू यू।
Yeah, and in fact, you take it as this that ये अगर आ रहा है ना लट्रोप के representative, जितने स्टूडेंट
जी
लट्रोप के लिए इंटरेस्टेड है, make them meet him, hear him out, and whoever is interested, उसमें से अगर कोई इंटरेस्ट आता है तो it will be a quick conversion for you guys.
ठीक है मैम। ठीक
ठीक
है
है,
हाँ ओके मैम।
all right, thank you.
थैंक यू। या
Bye.
बाय मैम।